Alright, welcome to my tutorial about how to convert PPT or PowerPoint to video. Alright, now I'm back to Flashback Express platform. Okay, you can use either your Google Meet platform or the Flashback Express platform. I'm using Flashback Express because from here I can show you. Actually on the Google Meet also can, but in a different format. Okay, first of all, you have to get ready your PowerPoint first, the slide of your PowerPoint. I already get ready here, and you have to open your PowerPoint first. Okay, wait a while. Actually, there are many ways where you can convert into video. One of it is through the PowerPoint. Alright, and if you want to create a video, there are many ways. Other than from PowerPoint to video, you can use Movie Maker. This is the Movie Maker. But today I'm not going to explain. I'm not going to talk about Movie Maker some other day. Okay. And today I'm going to talk about how to convert PowerPoint to video. Wait a while. You have to get ready your slide first. Alright. Okay, I already opened it, and before this I got talk about Dual-less Chrome extension, where you need these tools for your Google Meet platform, screen recording extension, how to record it, okay, cloud convert, how to convert your video to different format, such as MP4, MP3, MOV, AVI, and many more. Okay. Besides that, you can use Movie Maker. Sometimes cloud convert will face problem also, especially for video which is more than 100 megabytes. It might not be able to convert it to other format. Alright, but Movie Maker can. Okay. But if today I'm not going to talk about Movie Maker. Okay, so today I will talk about Movie Maker. I also will talk about snipping tools. This is very useful. Okay, but today I'm going to talk about how to convert from this one, all this slide, into a video. Okay, first you have to open your this PowerPoint. Okay, here I got how many slides? 11 slides. Okay, then you go to File here, click File there. Okay, some of the PowerPoint, the PowerPoint is 2013. Okay, some 2019 they have, when you click File, they have export here. But mine don't have the word export, then I save and send. Okay, click there. Then you saw create video. Okay, here, create video, click there. Here, create video. Okay, you can change the timing of the slide, how many minutes you want the slide to be on. For 5 or more than that, you can adjust here. Okay, create video, click. Okay, here you can choose want to save where your video. Okay, I will save at the desktop here. it will be in WMV format. Okay, then you click save. Okay, see down here, in the process of creating video down here. Okay, wait. It's so simple, right? Once you know the methods of how to do it, how to go about it, it's very simple and it's very fast, unless you are not familiar with it. Okay, I love to create video, but not using this method. I prefer Movie Maker. I've been creating a lot of video. Okay, if you like my channel, you give a thumb up. Alright, and you can see, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's converting now from PowerPoint to video to WMV format. Video WMV format. Okay, see, slowly. Yeah, you want to from one slide to another, you want to create animation also, okay, or transition. For me, I just leave it as no transition, no animation for my slide. Okay, I think it's okay already, so I minimize this. I go, okay, it's here already. Okay, let me on see. Open, you want to open with what? Open with movies and TV. In fact, on your slide, you can even insert audio. Okay, audio, so that when you playback, there will there will be a background music. Okay, takes time, depend on how fast. So you can see, okay, it's changing from slide to slide. This in the form of video. Okay, this is how you convert the PowerPoint to video form. Okay, I'm going to close this. Alright, it's so easy, right? And from here, you can upload it to YouTube. Okay, later I'm going to upload it to YouTube and I'm going to share it. Okay, this is the way of how you should convert from PowerPoint to video. That's the simplest way. Okay, as what I've mentioned before, you can insert with the background audio. Okay, or you can insert animation, transition, but this is the simplest video with the simplest slide. I just want to show here. My objective is want to show how to convert PowerPoint to video. Okay. Later, I'm going to upload it to YouTube. If you love my channel, you give a thumb up. project and you may subscribe it. Alright.